And now I'm on the port of another island. So this one's called Theresa. I'm terrible with Greek languages, Greek names. That lady looked super Greek. I had to catch that. And now I'm hiking up to go to the panorama and have lunch. And I actually jumped in the ocean here where it's not sulfur so that I could, I'm already out of breath and I've gone 10 feet. So I could get the sulfur off my skin because it dyes your clothes, right? So now I'm clean. I had like a shower in the ocean. And there's a whole bunch of donkeys right here. I think people can ride donkeys up this hill. Oh my God, there's so many stairs. It's really far. And there better be lunch at the top of this, because there were a lot of restaurants down there. I see now why they have donkeys that you can ride up. I regret my choices. Look how high up I am. I got a long way to go. We're gonna get up there. Let's do this. All you can hear is me heavy breathing for like miles. How out of shape am I? Oh my goodness. It's a lot of stairs. It's gonna be worth it though. Already the view is worth it. And plus, like, I can feel the burn. Like, my thighs are on fire. Oh look, a restaurant. Thank the gods. I'm coming for you. If I die, tell my family I love them and to always drink electrolytes. Look at this sign. They're like, don't worry, there's ice cream up there. Ice cream. That way. Okay, I made it. I'm at the top. I'm alive. Very out of breath, but alive. The view is pretty. Drenched in sweat. Looks like I just got out of the ocean. I did not. There's where I finished. And it goes woo, whoop, bop, at the very bottom. Incredible. Wow. Wow. Totally worth it, although I need a shower. Look at the view, so nice. Now to find some food and like a smoothie or something. Yes, and water. My face is so incredibly red. I have to steer to the sun tomorrow for sure. I came back to that restaurant that I walked past and I'm going to eat here because there's a beautiful view and there's shade, which is nice. You gotta try fresh lemon juice when you're in Greece. It's literally just fresh lemons squeezed with nothing in it but ice. And you add sugar to taste. It's so freaking good. Perfect after that big long hike and swim. Get all my electrolytes back. They also make like fresh orange juice, squeezed like everywhere. It's so good. My array of delicious goodies, my fresh squeezed lemon juice, my Greek salad, yummy, 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 and fresh homemade pita with olive paste like tapenade. Delicious. And my view again, just in case you missed it, it's pretty darn nice. The food is freaking delicious. So when you get to Teresa, you should actually hike up that hill and come to the Panorama restaurant at the top. Forget going to the restaurants in the harbor down there, okay? The food up here is really, really good. And it's homemade, tastes delicious. Plus the owner is out front and he's really nice. So I walked past because I wanted to go see the view, but I already knew I was gonna come eat here, and he was like, when I came back, he said, thank you so much for coming back. So, you know, he's a sweet old guy. Delicious. What a beautiful spot to enjoy lunch. Like, are you kidding me? Somebody pinch me because I feel like I've been dreaming this entire day. It's so much fun. I literally just went swimming in a hot springs that's heated by the volcano beside it, and now I hiked up this little mountain to enjoy my lunch here. Amazing. You know, there's been some bad days of solo traveling, but this is not one of them. Like, I refuse to live my life in fear, regret, or just dreams, because that's what I did for so long, and now I'm so grateful that I forced myself onto that plane and way out of my comfort zone to go travel the world by myself, because look at the stuff that you get to see. Like, amazing. We're so blessed to be citizens of this world. Incredible. Okay, so back that way is the panoramic restaurant I ate at. And over here is like their village with beautiful white houses. Up there, there's a church and a school. And some more snack bars. It's very pretty. But although I just finished eating, I am totally craving some ice cream. So I'm gonna make my way back down this insanity of stairs and get myself some ice cream, some ice cold water, and then we're leaving in about half an hour after that, I assume. So got about an hour to make my way back down there and fuel myself with some delicious gelato. I can't get over this view. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And you guys, like, you know, I'm always honest with you. I was like really scared to go traveling by myself. I'm not even lying. I was afraid. I literally, I cried on my way walking to the airport, and I cried to my boyfriend and said, I don't want to go. And he was like, you're going. I literally was crying, turned around and started walking home. That's how upset I was. Like, it's also, I think it's also hard too because I was leaving my boyfriend behind, you know? So that was like on top of it more like stress. Maybe if you're single, it would have been a little bit easier to go. But I don't know. If you have anxiety at all, then it would have been hard either way. And I have anxiety, but there are some bad days, but there are some really good days. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is so freaking beautiful. This is so worth that little bit of fear and stress and anxiety of like making yourself go do something that's gonna change your life and your outlook on everything that you do from now on. Like, being stuck in bad situations, so far I've only been traveling for a month and a half so far by myself, which is a long time. It's longer than I've ever traveled before by myself. The longest I had ever traveled before by myself was probably to go from Vancouver to like other destinations for events, like for corporate events. And after those events, oh, there's a little cat here. Hello, little cat. Oh, there's like 17 cats here. Look at all the little cat babies. Hi. 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 Look at them all. They're little cats, cats, cats. And there's one down here too. Hi, cat. Aww. Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, so I flew for mostly like to go meet people, but then I was meeting people at the corporate event. So like I had a team there, I had my friends there, you know, like it's not the same thing at all. That's not traveling alone. That's traveling on a plane by yourself and then meeting a bunch of people and then you're hanging out with people all the time. But this was like way out of my comfort zone, you know, it's scary, and like being in those bad situations made me realize that I can do that stuff by myself. You know, if something bad happens to me, hey, I can fix it, you know, because there's nobody to rely on or lean on. You know, it's nice to be able to, you know, have your phone and be able to contact people and ask questions, or, you know, just keep in touch, because that makes it actually feel like sometimes you're not alone. Like if you're lonely, you can literally like FaceTime your friend or call your friend or text your friend or your mom or your dad or your family or your brother or sister, whatever, right? Which makes it feel like you're not so much alone. But that kind of like physical contact and stuff, that's gone, you know, but then you meet people along the way. And my voice just like cracked really weirdly. You meet people along the way, and that's really fun too. So I don't know, what I'm trying to say in this rant right now is just go. If there's somewhere you've always been wanting to go and nobody can go with you and you're waiting for somebody to be able to go with you, just go. This is your sign that you need to go right now. I literally wanted to come before to Greece by myself for like 3 months. I had this whole like fantasy that I was gonna write my book and rent a cabin and like somewhere like this where I had like a view of the ocean, you know, and I was gonna write my book and it was gonna be all like, you know, romantic and beautiful, and then I never went, and that was like 8 years ago, and I never went because my boyfriend at the time didn't want to go, and he didn't want to let me go, and so I didn't go. You know, and you can't live your life in like regret or fear or letting other people's actions kind of decide what you are doing with your life. And that's why I'm really grateful too that my relationship now, I was able to be like, okay, I'm going and I will see you in a few months. Ciao. You're on YouTube now. You're on YouTube. From Paris, woo! Okay, so now I completely forgot what I was talking about now. Right. Just go. That's the summary of it. That's the end all, the be all. You can do it. Just whatever you set your mind to, just do it. And if there's somewhere you wanted to go, don't let anybody else's actions decide when you go. There's donkeys! Ah! Hi! Ah! Okay, there's more? Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! They're horses. Are they horses or donkeys? They're donkeys. They look kind of like horses. That was excellent. It was like a stampede. Ah, I'm having the best time ever. And by the way, going up was like death was coming soon. Going down is like, woohoo, we're going down the hill. Doesn't even matter. So think about that. You know, when you have to climb up somewhere high, remember that you gotta go down after, and that's easy. So, worth it. I made it. An amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed as I went swimming in a volcano fueled hot springs, which was so awesome. I'm seriously like amazing. And then that panoramic restaurant, wow, it was so breathtaking. So I really hope that you guys want to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate every subscription. And I wanted to show you something funny because although it seems like, you know, super like glamorous, all of the traveling and stuff like that, behind the scenes, okay, now I'm in my pajamas, hello, and I'm in a dorm with, there's like 6 beds, but luckily for me, there's only been 2 people at a time in here, which is like fantastic. It's like almost like having your own place. And then I wanted to do some laundry, so very glamorous, super, super glamorous. Luckily in this room, there's actually like a little suite though, so I can actually cook dinner and stuff like that. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. It's been amazing here in Santorini and Thera and everywhere. I just absolutely loved it. So please hit that like button and comment below if you've ever been here before, if you ever went to that volcano before, because that was so cool, or if you plan on going there. I would love to hear about it and give you some more tips. So I will see you guys in the next video. I'm traveling to Eos the day after tomorrow, and tomorrow I plan on spending my day on the beach, relaxing and just, you know, chilling. So I probably won't film tomorrow. So I will see you guys on my way to Eos. Bye.